Okay, this is Jordan, Icon Pest Control. Customer called for squirrels and mice. Right now we're looking at the squirrel holes. As you can see, my tracks, I already been through here, cleared off all the snow from the roof line to find the hole itself. Hole number 1. Okay. And as we walk to the front door, pardon me, it's very slippery, a lot of snow. Hole number 2. And then to show you hole number 3. Hole number 3. Had to clear the whole roof line to find it. Customer is also concerned about the ceiling in the garage being opened at the back of it. So we'll talk about that. But 3 squirrel holes, big house. Possibility of there being more, but it's covered in snow and it's cedar shake, so we're not doing any roof climbing today. But 3 holes for certain that we can secure with a one-way door and close on up.